How to use StockX gift card. Welcome back to our channel. So if you want to use a StockX gift card, what you need is simply open the StockX app onto your device. You could then tap onto the profile at the very bottom right corner of the screen. Go to wallet from the list. When you go to wallet, there you have a gift card section, right? You could simply go ahead and select a view. If you want to redeem, you just want to simply add in the number or the gift card number. That could be 16-digit number, and then you have to enter in the pin if you have. So it might be usually 4 to 6 digit, and you just want to select redeem gift card. If the card seems to be valid enough, you will be able to see the gift card balance at the very top, and this is how you're supposed to use StockX gift card. Now actually, to use the gift card, you could simply use it at a purchase procedure, and you will get certain amount of discount. So you could simply go ahead and add a product to your card. You could just buy it, and you could just go ahead and add the item and select gift card as one of your payment method, and that is also going to help you get certain amount of discount, and that way you will be able to use a StockX gift card. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.